Howdy and good morning. This is Dr. Astronomy from Homeless Astronomy, and I'm here with a coffee in the morning because I was filming a show for you last night with first Venus and the star Elnath, and then Jupiter and her moons. And during production, I had 2 grand mal seizures and was unable to continue, so I had to go to bed and recover. But here I am this morning with what I got filmed last night and a coffee to get started. So let's take off by taking a look at Elnath and Venus in the star chart and getting an idea where they're at. Okay, starting out west, we got Venus at 290 degrees and Elnath at 294 degrees. Okay, now let's take a look at them through the telescope. First we have Venus, and then right next to it, the star Elnath. First we got Venus, and right next to it to the north, the star Elnath. And those were through my telescope. Now let's take a look at Jupiter and her moons. First of all, a picture of how it looks in the sky, followed up by where they are in accordance to that picture in the star chart. And here we have Jupiter's moons. First, let's find Jupiter, 277 degrees. And the moon, starting out with Callisto on the bottom, followed up by Io just above it, Europa just above that, and Ganymede on the top. And now let's take a look at Jupiter and her moons through a picture I took through my telescope. And here's Jupiter and the moons through my telescope. Let's blow it up a little bit and get a little bit better identification on these suckers. Again, first up on the bottom, we've got Callisto, followed just above it by Io. And then Europa, and finally on top, the moon Ganymede. And there we have Jupiter and her moons, and that's how they look in the sky. And that was Venus and Elnath and Jupiter and her moons and 2 grand mal seizures. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something from it, and I will catch you again later. Thanks for watching.